Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will solve a question related to dipole moment step by step. One that looks difficult, but it is simple with the right approach. Here's the question. Ionic property of covalent bond AB is 30%. Bond length of AB is 120 picometers. If the charge of an electron is 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs, find the dipole moment of AB molecule. Let's quickly revise the concept. Dipole moment is the multiplication of magnitude of one pole times the distance between two poles. Therefore, the first step is to find the charge on one pole of the molecule. The molecule is AB molecule. The ionic nature of this bond is 30%. What is the meaning of that? If this bond is completely ionic, the charge on the positive ion 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs, that is the positive value, and the charge on the negative ion is minus 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. So what is the meaning of 30% ionic nature? The charge on one pole is 30% from that value. Now we know the charge on one pole. 1.6 times 3, 4.8 times 10 to the power minus 19 divided by 10. That means 10 to the power minus 20 coulombs. That is the magnitude of the charge on one pole. Then the step 2. We need to determine the distance between two poles. It's 120 picometers. 120 times 10 to the power minus 12 meters. Pico means 10 to the power minus 12. Then coulomb meters, that is the unit. 10 to the power minus 20 times 10 to the power minus 12. 10 to the power minus 32. Then 4.8 times 120. We can write 48 times 12. We multiply 4.8 by 10, then we divide 120 by 10. 48 times 12. 48 times 10, 480. 48 times 2, 96. 480 plus 96. 480 plus 20, 500. Then 76, remaining 76. That means 576. When we check the answers, we can write 576 as 5.76 times 10 to the power 2. That 10 to the power 2 times 10 to the power minus 32. It is 10 to the power minus 30. Then the correct answer is second one. That's how you should write the answer for this question. If you want to solve a specific question like this, please WhatsApp that question to 071 7191 626. See you in the next video. Keep learning one concept at a time. Want to score high in your term test and aim for that A+ in your advanced level exam? Join our smart paper discussion class today. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description to get started. Stay curious, stay focused. See you in the class.